Hello everybody, how you doing? Welcome to day number 5. You've made it almost through an entire first week of this getting started with Raspberry Pi. Let's just quickly recap what we've done. You took time on day 1 to get all the hardware plugged in properly, get the SD card formatted with the Raspberry Pi imager. You then set time to learn how to do the virtual network connection in day 2 so you can learn to operate your Raspberry Pi from your desktop or your computer or laptop, whatever that might be, where you don't always have to be tethered to a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. We then moved into day 3, setting up the Raspberry Pi, taking a look at the different settings, how to turn on the Wi-Fi, just all that good stuff. Yesterday, you had a lot of fun trying to bring some personalization to it by learning how to customize your desktop with the way things are highlighted and the fonts and the color schemes and the wallpaper. And so here we are on day number 5. We've spent most of this week just getting you comfortable with the hardware and the basic software of Raspberry Pi. Today, we're going to actually do a legit activity, and it's a Pac-Man treasure hunt. And it's awesome. I love the approach to this of going through kind of a game-based approach where we have to go in and find the Pac-Man ghosts that are going to be embedded throughout your Raspberry Pi. Think of it as trying to be an ethical hacker, going in trying to discover where these ghosts are sitting and hiding on your Raspberry Pi, thinking of the ghost as like a virus. So everything you need for this activity is on the website of the course as well as on the Raspberry Pi page. And it's going to have you explore the terminal. And for a lot of you, this is going to be new territory if you've never used Raspberry Pi and you haven't done a whole lot of coding or kind of working on the back end of a computer. So just take it step by step. It's going to be just fine. I made a video walkthrough so you can kind of follow along with the work that I've done along with the project page. But this is really designed to help you how to download and run a script if you've never done that. How to navigate the Raspberry Pi. More importantly, how to navigate the terminal. Learning some commands and keys that are going to be important now for future projects and just for general usage of your Raspberry Pi. It's going to help you learn how to create a directory if you've never done that before, how to copy and move files around your computer using the terminal commands, not just dragging and dropping icons like we're used to with our folders and our, the graphical interface. It's going to help you how to delete files and just get you more comfortable with how the Raspberry Pi operates, how things are sorted and organized. So one of the key things that I want to remind you, because I made this mistake, when you start the treasure hunt, it's step 3 of the project. It's going to ask you to copy and paste or type a command to start the Pac-Man project, in which what's going to do, it's going to hide these ghosts in your Raspberry Pi. So you're going to see a command line of wget 0 and then a http /rpf.io Pac-Man start. And when that goes to start, be patient. What I did was I was not patient, and I ended up clicking out of it thinking it was installed. And really what it was doing was it was just taking time to process. So that takes a couple minutes. You'll know it's good to go when you're going to see a whole bunch of text start flowing down your screen, and then you're going to get back to the terminal prompt with the $sign letting you know that it's ready for your next command. So let that run its course before you move into the next steps. Otherwise, nothing works and you're not going to see anything. And again, I know that because that's what this guy did. So I wish you luck. I wish you success. I can't wait to see what you do. And in the Slack channel for this particular activity, you're going to take a screenshot of your score using the Scratch program, which will all make sense as you navigate through these channels. So good luck. I can't wait for you to dive into this. This is a really exciting one, and it's our first kind of official project starting to do some things with the Raspberry Pi. All right, my friends, best of luck. Take care. See you in Slack. And remember, stay awesome. Peace.